Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to increase RAM on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on about device. From here, just tap on RAM. Now to increase RAM on your smartphone, just enable RAM expansion. Now after you enable RAM expansion, you will have the option to expand the RAM on your smartphone. You have the option of 1 GB, 2 GB and 4 GB. For now, I will select 2 GB. Now to increase the RAM, just go back, then select Restart Now. After your smartphone finishes restarting, you will increase the RAM on your smartphone. From here, if we open Settings, then tap on About Phone, you can see that we have successfully increased the RAM on our smartphone by 2 GB. And this is how you can increase RAM on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.